Hello Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike making another video today. Been wanting to make this video for quite a while. It's going to be, the title of this video is going to be 3 smart solutions for fixing your vintage outboard motors. That's right, I'm going to give you 3 options, 3 solutions for getting that vintage outboard motor running. Alright, so if everybody's ready, here we go. Okay. Before I give you those 3 smart solutions, let's talk about fixing vintage outboard motors. So you either own one that you've been having for 50 or 60 years. It's a 1958 Johnson 3 horsepower, and all of a sudden it breaks down on you. What are you going to do? Nobody works on these motors anymore. You bring it to the local mechanic shop, they're likely to laugh at you, tell you to throw it away and buy you a 4-stroke. So here you are, or you go and clean up the barn and you got grandfather's 3 horsepower Johnson and you'd like to get it going again. Been sitting for 50 years. What are your options? What are your solutions? Well, T-Mike here is here to tell you that you got 3 solutions on what to do, and I can help you with all 3 of those solutions. Okay, so before we talk about that, let's talk about, in a general layman's terms, of what it takes to get that old vintage motor running again. All right, so there's 4 main categories of that vintage outboard motor you're trying to get running again. 4 categories of parts. Right, first one is the ignition magneto that provides a spark. That's category number 1. Category number 2 is the carburetor. All right, category number 3 is the gear case. All right, and category number 4 is the power head. Okay, so those are the 4 categories of all vintage motors and the modern motors. That's the 4 categories right there. So you have the 3 solutions to getting your motor running, and it's going to involve one of these 4 categories. All right, so once you understand that the main categories are those 4, you can move on to the solutions. So here we go with the solutions. All right, solution number 1 would be for you to do it yourself. Okay, so for example purposes, this is a 3 horsepower main categories. Here's the ignition magneto for the 3 horsepower Johnson 1958. So the first solution of do it yourself, you have to determine which category, all right, has the problem. Is it no spark? Is it no fuel? Is it non-pumping water? Is it a lack of compression? All right, so I have 650 videos to help you determine which one of these 4 components is giving you the trouble. Is it no spark? All right, is it no compression? Is it having a fuel problem? My do-it-yourself recommendations, okay, are using my videos to determine which one is the problem. And if you want to fix it yourself, those same videos will help you replace the coils on this. Anything to be done with any of these motors, one of my videos will help you. All right, and I sell all the parts. I have all the parts you need to fix your vintage motor. All right, and I have technical consulting. I have a link on my website that you can click on, fill out a form, and ask me any question you want, and I'll get back to you. All right, so the first solution of do it yourself is for you to do it yourself with the help of T-Mike, with videos and parts and technical consulting. Okay, that's solution number 1. Solution number 2 is what I offer called mail-in repair service. So in my mail-in repair service, if you have no spark, you would take this magneto off of your 3 horsepower. I have videos showing you how to remove it. Stick it in the mail, ship it to T-Mike. T-Mike fixes it, videos it, and ships it back to you. Right? So the second solution is mail-in repair for all 4 components. All right. The third solution, all right, is to replace the component. let's just say that your Magneto is so bad that you just need it replaced. I sell each one of these components on my eBay store or my website. Here's a listing on eBay for this Magneto. Okay, so I have all the magnetos and all the parts for your vintage outboard motor just to be replaced. All right, so I have those 3 solutions for you. There's no reason why you can't get your grandfather's motor running with the help of T-Mike. All right, so let's review. All right, so we talked about the 4 main categories of the components. All right, they are the Magneto, the carburetor, the gear case, and the power head. And then we talked about the 3 solutions that you have. You can do it yourself, you can mail and repair it, or you can replace that component. All right, so all of these resources for you can be accessed on T-Mike's Vintage Outboards website. That's www.tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I have links there for everything you need to do the work in this thing. You can buy your parts there. All right, you can do the mail and repair service there. You can hit my videos on YouTube from there. You can do a parts broker form to buy your parts if you don't know the part number. You can do a paint and decal for your hoods or anything on that website. So hitting my website is the best way to go. It's the first link down below, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. All right, so I hope this helps you with all the solutions, the 3 smart solutions to get your vintage outboard motor going. And remember, always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it 1 motor at a time. See y'all next video. Hey, you want to win a free prize? That's right, T-Mike's giving away free prizes. All you got to do is go to T-Mike's website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. The link is below, and find the link for T-Mike's Trivia Quiz. There'll be a trivia quiz question on there, all about vintage outboard motors. Just answer the question and click submit, and at the end of the month, put your name in the hat, make a drawing. Whoever's got the first correct answer wins a prize for that month. All right, on the form also, when you get there at the bottom, it's got a section for a message. It says talk about your vintage outboard motor or your experience with T-Mike. So if you want to put some personal details down there, I might read a few of them out during the live stream. So win your monthly free prize, no cost. Just go to T-Mike's website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com, click on T-Mike's Trivia Quiz, and answer the question. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your Magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it 1 motor at a time.